So just a little update on the Subaru and the coilovers. Brad's been to work today, and when he was driving home,
wasn't at work, was he?
full-time Brad was at work, and he says his suspension started knocking like a Jehovah's Witness.
Oh,
and what?
Things like that.
Oh yeah, you can. So what happened was
the top mount
were never tightened because we thought they were tightened out the factory.
It was porting company is what it was doing.
So yeah, the top mount's been nipped. Go and do the other side.
Oh, it's in a beautiful location, isn't it? Oh, slack.
Is that slack as well?
Aye, right, look.
Oh, we probably should have. You didn't want to outdo them.
Outdo them? I haven't even got the top spanner on, man.
When you're red bro and it works.
Funny. Real funny. Right, top mount's done.
Right.
You take them stupid colours I left on after that.
So the other thing is that I've noticed is we've got a squeaking noise. We've got a squeaking noise on the back suspension now. I'm pretty sure it's the. You seen? Ooh, not the gimbal. Seen this metal cover here? It looks to me like the top mount is punching a hole in it, so we're going to take the metal covers off because that is squeaking something rotten.
I think that's exactly what it's done.
It's dreadful. So we're just going to take those off. And that should be all the suspension was sorted like.
In my defence, I wasn't to know whether or not that wanted to be fitted or not.
Do you think you could get any more stuff in the back of this car?
Probably, like, if you want us to. I'll go and have a look, see what I can do. Seems nobody wants to buy standard Forester wheels. So
I'm pretty sure that's what that squeaking noise was because it was god awful.
I think you're right. I think it's. But
it does look to me like it's been banging a centre point in that.
Not banging, just wiggling.
It's like it's peened itself.
Way.
I can see the indentation on the metal now that I look at it.
It didn't hit on the other side, which is weird.
I would take the other one out as well, like.
Nah.
Yeah, I think it's gonna squeak again, and I'll hit the roof.
Probably a good idea. Right.
Oh.
She's up a new.
Oh, she's up a new. Make sure the top mount's tight.
While we're in. Ooh.
Might as well do a bolt check while we're here. That looks tight, like.
It does.
Them snap it because they are Chinese.
That's tight.
That's tight. That's tight. That's sweet as a nut. I just didn't put that metal. I don't know what that metal covers for, but didn't put it back in.
Not exactly centred this strut, like.
It's fine.
Have a look at the inside of that. See what you think. It's
definitely
been contacted.
I think that's the squeaking noise over here. And Jesus Christ Almighty. Yeah. Take the metal covers off, basically. Otherwise, you're going to have problems like that.
I wasn't enough.
And it squeaks really bad. Like, it's so irritating. The squeak noise. It's unbelievable. That's actually banged it in. I don't know if you can see that. You can see it's dented. So yeah. Not great. So I've just got the interior thrown back together. Got the covers back in, put the seats back up. Got loads of spares and crap in the boot still. But like spare intercoolers, got like 2 or 3 intercoolers. The box for the turbo smart, a spare wheel because the car's on LPG. So the spare wheel well's taken up by the LPG tank, but yeah, that's our back together. So we'll get a review done of the rest of the suspension, take it for a test drive and give you an idea about what we think about the coilovers.